Hi guys, this is IsTech channel. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about while and do while loops with the help of examples. So if you don't subscribe my channel, subscribe it, like the videos, and share them. Let's go. First of all, if you don't know about for loop, watch the video that I uploaded and cover the full loop. Then watch this video, okay? While the while loop is Java's most fundamental looping statement. It repeats a statement or block while its controlling expression is true. Here is the general form: while, condition, and the body of the loop. The condition can be any Boolean expression. The body of the loop will be executed as long as the conditional expression is true. When condition becomes false, control passes to the next line of code immediately following the loop. The curly braces are unnecessary if only a single statement is being repeated. Since the while loop evaluates its conditional expression at the top of the loop, the body of the loop will not execute it even once if the condition is false to begin with. The body of the while or any others of Java's loop can be empty. This is because a null statements. So here we have an example that write a program that get one number from the user and then calculate the sum of the digits of the number like this. So let's do it together. At the first, I need a class. I create a class with the name of test while and I save it. So at the top of each program, we have main method, public static void main string array. So I want to get a number from the user. For this reason, I need a scanner class. At the first, we should import it from the java.util.scanner, and the next, we should create the object of that, and then we should have a variable. Here we need some variables like number and sum. So here I have a system.out.println or printing method that tells the user that enter a number. We should assign the variable, and here is our loop. I mean while. You should have conditional here. I mean number greater than 0. Okay. So here we should have the body of the while, and we should assign the x variable to the number modulus 10. Okay, and we should assign the sum variable to the sum plus x variable, and again we should assign the number variable to the number divides to 10. Okay, outside of the while loop body, we should have a printing method that print the value. Okay, I mean the sum of the digits. So let's check it that Our program doesn't have any error, and let's compile it. Java C test while dot Java. And so let's run it, and let's compile it. Here you can see enter a number, and you can see the result of your program. Let's continue our talking, okay? Do while. As you just saw, if the conditional expression controlling a while loop is initially false, then the body of the loop will not be executed at all. However, sometimes it is desirable to execute the body of a while loop at least once, even if the conditional expression is false to begin with. There are times when you would like to test the termination expression at the end of the loop rather than at the beginning. Fortunately, Java supplies a loop that does just that. The do while loop always executes its body at least once because its conditional expression is at the bottom of the loop. Its general form is do body of the loop in while conditional. Each iteration of the do while loop first executes the body of the loop and then evaluates the conditional expression. If this expression is true, the loop will repeat. Otherwise, the loop terminates. As with all of Java loops, conditional must be a Boolean expression. Let's execute the body of the loop and then evaluates the conditional expression. If this expression is true, the loop will repeat. Otherwise, the loop terminates. As with all of Java loops, conditional must be a Boolean expression. So let's do an example of do while, okay? At the first, I need a text editor. I use Notepad++. At the top of each program, we should have a class. I create a class with the name of do while example and save it. At the top of each class, we should have main method, I mean public static void main string array and the body of the main method, okay? Here we should have a variable with the data type of integer. I assign it to 25, and here I have my loop. I use do while loop, and I use a printing method system.out.print, and decrement the num, okay? At the end of the do, I create my condition while num or number greater than 0. And let's compile it. So let's run it. Here you can see the result of your program. So it's our flagging that first learn and then delete the L from the learn, I mean earn. So it was your lesson for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the videos, and share them. See you later. Goodbye.